Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today I have an awesome full body animal workout, all right? And what I mean by that is just all the names, the titles of our exercises today are named after animals. So just a little fun twist, but it's a full body workout. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna have fun, so let's get into it. All right, so we are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one is more of a demo explanation. I talk you through the exercises as I do them with you, and then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing, we just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise. It's a mare favorite, all right, monkey pumps. So we're gonna put our arms up, bent elbow, so it's a nice 90-degree angle here, all right? And then we're gonna press up, squeezing our shoulders, squeezing our chest, coming down, and then bringing them in. Our palms go from facing forward to facing us, all right? Coming back to starting position and then going over. Shoulder press, and then in. Shoulder press, chest press, all right? 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. So even though we're working out our arms here, I want you to remember the rest of your body, all right? A nice straight posture, all right? Straight spine, your rib cage is closed, your shoulders are pushed away from your ears, all right? And your tummy is tucked in, as well as your butt. And then when we go down to the legs, we have a slight bend in our knees, all right? You're not locking your knees, a nice little bend, all right? And then your feet are hip width apart, all right? All the little checkpoints to remember as you do your arms. Big breath, squeeze up, and then squeeze your chest in. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and come down. Shake it out. Woo! I'm already feeling the burn, and we're only on exercise number 1. Next, we're doing butterfly wings, all right? So this is fun. This is one of my favorites. We're gonna bring our hands overhead. We're gonna put our palms together, and then we're gonna bend our elbows so our hands are behind our head, all right? So like so. And what we're gonna be doing is fluttering our arms like butterfly wings, all right? So out to the side, and then in, out, in, all right? And here, I really want you to remember that rib cage, so it's easy to kind of, when you open, that you open your rib cage, but we don't wanna do that. So boom, close it, close the rib cage, tuck in the tummy, tuck in the butt, all right, and just move your arms. Very good. 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. All right, you can take your time here. It doesn't have to be too fast, all right? The beauty of 30 seconds is going at your own pace, doing what's best for you, all right? So you can go slower than I'm going, or even a little bit faster if you feel like you can. Very good. And you don't have to have your hands fully together if you know that kind of limits you from doing your little flutter. You can just have your fingertips together if that helps as well. So it's okay to adjust. And 3, 2, 1. My beautiful butterflies, come down, shake it out. Good job. We're taking it down to the floor gently at your own pace to a tabletop position for donkey kicks. All right, so our hands are directly below our shoulder, nice and stacked, and your knees are directly below your hips. So stacked knees and stacked hands. Alrighty, so what we're gonna be doing is lifting one leg, all right, lifting it up a little bit and then kicking back with a nice flexed foot and then coming back down. Now you can come back down all the way to the mat, or if you want to challenge yourself, you can even stay up. So kick and then come in for like a nice crunch and then kick again and just kind of go into a continuous donkey kick. Or like I said, you can come down. So kick, come down, find yourself again, and then kick. All right? We're gonna be doing one side for 30 seconds and then the other side for 30 seconds. Big breath in position and let's go. Very good. Now here, I want you to try to stay as centered as possible. It's kind of easy to go to one side because our leg is up, but try to stay as centered as possible, okay? Big breaths, very good. Flexed foot. and a nice straight back, all right? Try to avoid arching, all right? You wanna level that out and keep it nice and straight. And 3, 2, 1, and come down, very good. You can come up, shake your arms, and get ready for the other side. Big breath, 30 seconds, let's go. Very good, you got this, push through. Big breaths, in your nose, out your mouth. Squeeze your bum as you straighten your legs. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Come in, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. In 3, 2, 1. Come down, very good. Sit back, shake, 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 and awesome job. We're gonna turn it around to our bums and then laying down for some dead bugs. All right, these are fun. So we're gonna be laying down and our feet are coming up to a tabletop position. So nice straight lower legs there, parallel to the floor. And then our arms come all the way up, straight up. And what we're gonna do is drop one leg with the opposite arm. So if my right arm drops, then my left leg drops. So straight down and then up, straight down, up. So like a little dead bug. Ah. All right, but with a little bit more coordination, all right? And what I want you to remember here is control. So when that leg comes down, don't drop it to the floor, all right? It just comes barely off the floor, it doesn't touch the floor, and then comes back up. Same with your arm, all right? It doesn't go down to the floor, it stays engaged and activated. And also remember to push your lower back to the floor, all right? You wanna avoid arching even when you're laying down. 30 seconds on the clock, alternating dead bugs, and let's go. So 1, then the other, very good. Remember to press that lower back into the ground, really engaging your core muscles, breathing, very good. And if this is too much for you, go ahead and do one at a time. So you can do leg, other leg, arm, other arm, and then start over again. So whatever works for you, you can play around with it as long as you're moving. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and sit up. Very good. That was it. Set number 1 of your fun full body animal workout. Take a second, grab some water, because then we're gonna do set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you got this. We're gonna start with our monkey pumps, then we have our butterfly wings, then we're taking it down to the ground for our donkey kicks, and then we're doing dead bugs to finish, all right? Big breath, you got this. Starting with our monkey pumps, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And butterfly wings, 30 seconds. Let's go.
You know, I don't even really know where to begin, because it seems like every time I get ahead.
Ooh, burn, baby, burn. I feel this one. Let's go. Keep going. You got this.
I'm just gonna let
Breathe.
this ride. You know what I mean?
3, 2, 1. Shake it out, shake it out. Down to the floor. Tabletop position. Donkey kicks, 30 seconds. Let's go. Other side, 30 seconds. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down. Shake it out. Big breath. And turn it around for our dead bugs. In position. And let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Sit up. Big breath and celebrate. Awesome. 2 sets done and dusted. Take a second, grab your water, breathe, stretch, and then get ready for set number 3.
No matter where you're from, all around the world, it's one unique, one special.
Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, you got this. You're doing great, push through. Big breath, and starting with our monkey pumps, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And butterfly wings, 30 seconds. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Shake it out. Down to the floor. Donkey kicks, 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Come down. Very good. Shake it out. Other side. 30 seconds. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Come down. Shake it out. Big breath. And turn it around for our dead bugs. In position. And let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 awesome sets of your fun full body animal workout. If you're ready for another set, rewind, get to it. If not, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments below what you thought, and then don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell, that lets you know when we post so you don't miss out, because I really hope to see you on the next one.